Demeanor means the way that you behave. What does it mean when I say the way that you behave? Anyone can answer. Anyone can answer. What does it mean when I say the way that you behave? It is similar to etiquette. Okay, nobody's going to talk, so etiquette might not be spelled correctly. So if you are upset, happy, sad, or bored, it is going to show up in your demeanor, the way that you perform, the way that you behave. That's what it means. Okay? Demeanor means that. Now, let's take a look at how I'm going to explain it to you. I'm going to explore this word and help you describe people's behavior and appearance in a more detailed way. So the word for now is demeanor, Demeanor. Demeanor is a noun. It refers to the way a person behaves, carries themselves, or presents themselves to others. It includes their appearance, body language, and overall attitude. Here is a transitional phrase that we've learned. Crystal uses it a lot, on the other hand. So it means that one thing is one way and something else is another way. Are you clear on body language, the meaning of demeanor? I need someone to respond. Anyone can respond. No one can respond?
Yes,
Anyone.
teacher.
So demeanor means the way that you behave. It's your body language, your attitude, and the way that you look. That's what demeanor means. Going forward, let's look at this person's demeanor. What is she doing? What is she doing? Who can tell me what is she doing?
She's laughing.
She's laughing. And does she look like she's a hateful person or someone you would like to get to know? Does she look friendly? I think she has a friendly demeanor. She has a friendly demeanor. Let's look at this picture. What about the guy? Does he look interested or bored or upset? What does he look like? What is his demeanor?
I think he's upset.
Okay.
Or he's thinking about something very deeply.
So his demeanor is sadness. Let's just say, and upset. So his demeanor could be sadness, upset, or he is in deep thought. So we get our cues from the way a person looks. All right. That's how we determine a person's demeanor. I know someone just came in. So Hyro just came in. So now we have two demeanors, happy, in deep thought, or sad. So imagine you're meeting two people for the first time, John and Lisa. Lisa has a friendly smile, stands up straight, and greets you warmly. Her demeanor is very welcoming and warm. Which one of these pictures might we be describing? One or two? Which one do you think I just described? One or two?
One.
That is correct. It was one. All right. So we are understanding the word demeanor. That's what I'm hoping that you're getting from this lesson. All right. Tell me about a picture of a person with a big smile and open posture. It indicates a positive demeanor. I'm telling you that. Now, a person's downcast eyes and sad expression suggest a more somber demeanor. The word somber means sad or serious. It means sad or serious. So he said that the guy may be in deep thought. So that's a very serious demeanor. When someone dresses in formal attire, like a suit or a nice dress, it gives it can give off a professional demeanor. If you go to work and you dress up with suits or a nice dress and heels, that is a professional demeanor. That's what we mean by professional demeanor. Any questions? What type of demeanor do you think all of these people have? What type of demeanor do these people have? What type of
Professional demeanor.
professional? And how do we know? How do we know that it is professional? How do we know?
Because of the suit. What are they wearing?
That is correct, because of the suit, the type of clothing that they're wearing. This is how we know that they have a professional demeanor. You guys are amazing. Now, let's see. Oliver, could you read this first one for me?
Yes, teacher, of course. If someone is pacing back and forth.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes. If someone is pacing back and forth nervously, their agitated demeanor might show that they are anxious about something.
Okay, any questions about that? So that demeanor would be nervous. If I'm going, oh, that is a nervous demeanor.
I have a question, teacher, about the
Yes, go ahead.
pacing back.
Pacing back and forth. Okay, this is a person that's walking. You're going here, then you go back. You go here and you go back, walking back and forth.
Okay.
Okay, men do this a lot in the hospital when their wives are delivering a baby. They pace back and forth, back and forth. Okay? Let's see who is in here that I could ask to read. Crystal, could you read synonyms? And Luna, could you read the practice for me? Crystal?
Okay. Synonyms, other ways to express the idea of the demeanor. You can use synonyms like attitude, manner, behavior, or presence, etiquette.
Okay, so synonyms. Very good. Any questions about that? Anyone?
No.
All right. Luna, read the practice. We're going to do the practice. Luna?
Okay. Are you ready to practice? I will describe a situation and you can tell me what kind of demeanor you think the person might have. Let's go.
Okay. So now I'm going to describe and you can tell me. Imagine someone who is constantly smiling and making jokes at a party. What kind of demeanor might this person have? Anyone can tell me.
Funny.
It could be a funny demeanor. Good. Okay, what is it?
Crazy, maybe.
Crazy. Well, yes, but you're saying crazy in a friendly way, but not crazy like they're insane. Okay? Think about someone who's standing tall, looking people in the eye and speaking confidently in a meeting. What kind of demeanor might this person have?
A person is jolly.
Okay, but now he's not, he's in a meeting, so we wouldn't say that he's jovial. I might say that this person up here who is constantly smiling and making jokes is jovial. So it would have a place. Jovial
line.
Professional.
Yeah, I think professional would be it. So there are many words that we could use to describe a person's demeanor. Okay, so I would probably think this one because it says that he is looking people in the eye and speaking with confidence, that this person is quite professional. I would think this person is quite professional. So I would go with, let's see, draw this one. This one I would say is jovial. And this one is professional. All right.
Right.
Now let's take a look at some pictures. I'll number the pictures and I'll let, this is picture 1, picture 2, picture 2, and picture 3. And this one's going to be picture 4. Picture 4. And this one is picture 5. All right. Now, there are 5 images and there are 9 people. So, or 8 people. 1, 2, 3. So everyone can describe the picture. Anyone who wants to start, go first. It's going to be professional, somber, sad, happy, whatever you want to say. Please start. Anyone can start. Describe the pictures. Tell me the number.
Okay, I think the number 1 is the professional demeanor.
Okay, good. Okay, who else can choose one? Maybe you don't understand. Okay. All right. It's Crystal. Go ahead and do all of them, Crystal. Even if you get them right, that would be great. If you don't, that's okay too. Describe all of them, Crystal.
Okay, I think the number 1 is professional demeanor, like number 2 also.
Number 2, good.
Number 3 could be also too confident.
And it could also
number
be
4
professional.
Yes. And number 4 could be angry demeanor.
Good.
And number 5, upset.
Very
or
good.
mad
Very good.
demeanor.
Okay. And that takes us to the end of this presentation. So you've learned the word demeanor and how it helps us describe the way people act and carry themselves. So I want you to keep practicing and you'll be using this word with confidence. All right. Any questions about what you've just learned? Any questions about what you've just learned? All right. No questions? All right. I'll see you guys in the next session. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.